How to design elements in Wix Studio. So in order to design element in the Wix Studio, you first need to head over and add them. And click onto this plus icon right there. And then from in there, you can see all of the elements that you can add. So from the quick add, you can add images, titles, paragraphs, buttons, and also all of the things that you can see right there. So I have already added some elements and let's head over and then design them. I have in here this image. Head over and then click onto the element that you wish to design. You can click onto this change image in order to change what is depicted into this case. And that way you can essentially design it according to your liking. For this, I'll choose this pool lounge. And then once I've clicked on it, you can click on update. It should be able to change the image right there. You can also apply a mask to the image. So by clicking mask, you can actually essentially change the shape of that particular image. Now let's head over to the text. You can click onto the text that you want to actually edit, then click onto this open inspector. From in there, it will open the design layout. You can change the size, the responsive behavior, the style, the font size, spacing, as well as the color of that. You can also change the styles into bold, italicized, or underlined, as well as the alignment, formatting, capitalization, as well as some shadows right here. Also HTML tag, and also some other options like position, adjusting, and anchoring. So that's how you design elements in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.